Hi everyone. Hello. Today we have with us another guest, Ankita Anand. She has recently completed her BDS, that is Bachelor's of Dental Surgery, from KM Shah Dental College and Hospital. Right now, she is working with a hospital in her place. Let's hear more about Ankita from her own. Thank you very much, Ankita, for being here. Please do tell us a bit
Hi
about yourself.
everyone. Hi Abhay. Thank you for having me here. Yeah, I have done my BDS, that is Bachelor of Dental Surgery from Kemsha Dental College and Hospital. And apart from that, I have done a fellowship course in endodontics and prosthodontics. That is about all about your RCT, root canal treatment. And yeah, I am preparing for my MDS as well. And I'm working with a
Great.
hospital in Ankleshwar right now.
Ankleshwar right now. Great, great. Right. That sounds superb. That sounds interesting, Ankita. Can you tell me a bit about why you chose medicine and why this field?
Yeah, medical field was my dream, I think, since I was a child, like around 7, 8 years old,
Right.
right? I always dreamt of having, getting admission in a medical school, but unfortunately I couldn't do that, so I got into a dental school. And since childhood it was always like, roaming around here and there and
So
seeing my
since when you were
uncle.
really young, that means, right?
Yeah,
Like first
actually
or
I've
second class.
seen my grandfather was a doctor, my
Right.
uncle is a doctor, so seeing them and growing in that family where you have doctors all around, so I also
Right.
had a dream of becoming a doctor. So I think from then I am following this dream.
Okay.
And right now,
Okay.
yeah, I'm that.
Great. Great. That sounds interesting. Be having such clarity as to what you want to do from such a young age, it's really hard to find. It's really
No,
hard for people
actually.
to actually know what they want to do. Whatever people do, and what I've seen people doing is that they just go ahead and finish their
Keep
11th,
on
their 12th.
switching their
Yeah, and
dreams and
keep
so
on
on.
switching, but having such clarity as you want to do since you were
Yeah,
a kid.
since childhood, I was always like,
Easy.
nah, only this field, no other field.
Great. That's actually great. And why dental? Why dental?
Yeah, it's a long story, but being
Sure,
honest,
sure.
I actually dental was never an option for me. No offense, but yeah, dental was never an option. It was only medical, but unfortunately, I couldn't crack NEET. Like my preparation was not up to that level, and so I couldn't get into that field. So I appeared for a university exam
Right.
in Gujarat, and there I could get the admission. So I pursued my degree in dentistry
Right. So that's when you got selected for KM Shah Dental
for KM
College.
Shah, yeah, through
Great,
the
great.
university exam.
Through the NEET UG exam. That's
No,
great.
not through NEET UG. I got into this college through the university exam. They have
Okay.
their own examination for
Oh, okay.
getting
Like
admission in
okay,
medical,
like
or
private universities have those own exams,
yes,
right?
it's a
Something like that.
private
Okay.
university, and they had their own examination for
Okay.
medical and dental seat.
Okay. Great, 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 great. So how has your experience been for this BDS? How is your
Uh,
experience for all those 4 to 5 years?
Yes, initially I did face few difficulties, getting settled here, in Gujarat with the people around me. All people were all from Gujarat. I was a non-Gujarati. First of all, the challenges for me was the language, the patience, and the interaction with new people. As being an introvert, yes, I did face few difficulties, talking to people and all, but slowly and gradually I did adjust. I did, got comfortable in the environment. I learned the language, and hence it made everything very easy for me, and right now I'm enjoying it. Like, I did enjoy the whole university year, and right now I think this is the best thing I could ever do for myself. Like, not medical, but yeah, dental is like a nice field, and I'm enjoying it.
So being in the dental field, although not your first choice, is really what you want to do now, right?
Yeah, definitely. You
Great,
can say
great,
that.
great. Yeah. So can you tell me a bit about this fellowship that you told me about? You told me that you did a fellowship after your BDS, right? So is
Yes.
that something that's mandatory for everyone, or do you wanted to do it and hence you pursued it?
The fellowship I did in RCT is like bread and butter of dentistry, like a basic thing that you have to know. It's like a computer engineer not knowing the coding.
Okay,
So it's the
right.
same
Yeah.
way a dentist not knowing RCT. But due to Corona pandemic, we couldn't get number of patients in the colleges because of the Corona thing. So I had to do a 2-month course in root canal treatment, so that I can, learn the basics, which I did miss in my in my college during my internship. So
Right.
to cover up that thing, I
Mhm.
had to do this fellowship course.
So had it been a normal year without Corona, without COVID, you might have not pursued this fellowship.
And I would have, but
Okay.
then the thing was, this fellowship is about basic RCT as well as the modern RCT, what people in the private clinic are practicing these days. It's about rotary. In my colleges, we were learning about manual RCT, what you do only with your hand filing and everything. But in this
Okay.
fellowship, we have learned about the rotary RCT, the microscopic RCT. So despite I have learned RCT in my colleges, still I would have done my fellowship. So it has nothing to do with the
Okay.
pandemic or anything. But yeah, one
So
of the reason was that I couldn't learn RCT in my college, so I had to follow up this thing.
okay, yeah, that makes sense. To understand much more about this RCT thing, you had to pursue a fellowship. Makes sense, right?
Yes.
Uh, I've always had this question, and I've asked multiple people, but I haven't gotten a correct answer. What I wanted to know is, why is the oral cavity a different branch? Why is it the case that you have a whole different branch called PTS?
Okay. I too had this question: ki why dentistry? Why not
Yes.
part of MBBS? But if oral cavity needs a lot of practice,
Okay.
the practical concept here is a lot more than in MBBS. MBBS is all about theoretical. If your theories are very clear, you can do the practical work, right? Up
Okay.
to 3 years in medicine, up to final year, you'll be studying theories more than you will be doing practicals. Yes, you will be doing practicals, no doubt, but then the theoretical part is more in MBBS, whereas in oral cavity, you need more of the practical aspect. You need
Okay.
to do more of the practical work, right?
Okay.
Making cavities, doing restorations, taking impressions, making crowns, making bridges. I know these are terms you're not familiar with, but
Exactly.
then
Yeah.
oral cavity needs more of the practical work, right?
Okay.
You need more of the practice there. You do need to study theory, but then the practice will make you better than your theoretical part, right? But in
Okay.
MBBS, you need to do more of the theoretical part. You need to learn, you need to know the terms, you need to know the diseases. Yeah, in dentistry too, you need to know, but then practice is more important in dentistry. So this whole course was separated
Okay.
because
Mhm.
dentistry needs more of practice. More of the practical knowledge is important in dentistry rather than the theoretical
Okay.
knowledge. Theories are important, but to an extent. But practically, if you see, practicals are more important in dentistry. Whereas in medicine, if you see, you need to know the terms properly. You need to know the all the terms, the diseases, the cure, everything, the remedies, the treatments, everything up A to Z by heart,
Okay.
and then you get to do the patients after your final year and everything, right?
Okay.
Whereas dental is more of practice, so that is the reason why they have separated the course. But now if you know about this bridge course, the MCI, which is Medical Council of India, and DCI, Dental Council of India, they're planning to make a bridge course, like after BDS you can pursue your MBBS too. So now
Okay.
what they're doing is they are trying to collaborate both the branches, because
Okay.
a dentist knows most of the things about medical course, right? So they are planning to combine both the branches after BDS has completed the degree. So it's a
Okay.
2 or 3 year courses, which is still in act. They haven't
Okay.
come out with this yet, but yeah, they're planning to make a bridge course.
So with this bridge course, a person who has completed his BTS would be able to do his
BDS, yeah.
MBBS also after that?
Huh.
Okay.
A person who has completed their BDS can join the MBBS from second or third year.
Okay.
and then they can complete their they have thought of this idea because we need more of the doctors in rural areas. People are not ready to work in rural areas. They're all
Right.
about urban places, earning
Exactly.
from urban areas. But the government has thought of doing this because we need more of the doctors for rural areas.
Okay.
So for that, they are asking BDS to join this bridge course so that they can do their internship, they can do their 1-year practice in rural areas too.
Okay.
So for that, they are thinking of doing this.
So wouldn't this adversely affect the PTS program, because as you yourself told that PTS was never the first choice for you too. So if someone, who's really interested in MBBS doesn't get into MBBS, let's say in the first go, gets into BDS, but then does this bridge course, wouldn't we have lesser number of dentists down the line?
No doubt about it. People did oppose this thing, let it be a very different branch. Don't, collaborate them and all. But then see, people who are unable to pursue their MBBS degree can opt for BDS. Then they can go further for their MBBS, right? But they can practice both. But then the government is also planning, the MCI and DCI, they are planning for a common entrance test. Like after BDS, you need to give the common entrance test. One who are not interested in BDS, there are few people, who they do their BDS and then they change their field to MBA, or, they get into business and all, just because they're not interested, just for the sake of the degree, they are doing all these things, right? So the government has come up with the common entrance test for that. After completing your BDS, you need to appear for a test and then you will be getting admission into MBBS.
Okay.
So that way, like if you're not planning to do BDS, you can get into this field and, you can help rural area people. So everything has got pros and cons, right?
Of course, for sure.
So for that pros and cons, you need to balance things. So it's not yet decided whether this bridge course will be coming into act or not. But then they have thought of this idea.
Okay. Yeah. Makes sense.